All right, so this is the Tineco. Absolutely love this thing. I don't even know. I wish you could give it 100 stars. I can't even explain, especially if you have like a young kids or a toddler. I have a little toddler, so this thing is amazing. Here is the plate, you know, where it charges and it self-cleans itself, which is ridiculous, I must tell you. Comes with the extra brush, you know, the cleaner and the air filter, and, you know, I guess basically the way it works is, you know, you hit the power button, self-propelled. When you put in the base, cleans it. So, you know, let's take it for a quick little run. This is where it fills up the dirty water. Back here, oops, is the solution. So you just put the water in there, solution. Very, very easy. It actually even connects to Wi-Fi. You can do all sorts of different languages. And here, let's take it for a run. I'll kind of show you how it works. So, see, self-propelled just wants to go. And I mean, you just clean. See, look at that. You can see a little bit of wetness. So you just know, like, you know, if you use this, see, shutting down. Actually, we turn it back on. So right here, what's really cool is this blue ring. When it's picking up a lot of junk, you know, stuff that you spilled or whatever, this will be red. And as it gets blue, that's when you know it's been cleaned and sanitized and everything. So, you know, it's just, I mean, if you guys have kids, you know what it's like. With a Swiffer, you're just pushing stuff around. This thing is actually cleaning it. I mean, the water is filthy. Even though you've cleaned it 100 times, you know, you don't realize how dirty things get with a little kid. And here, watch, I'll put it on. The charger. Oops.
Charging has commenced. Auto detecting whether to run self-cleaning cycle. Please begin self-cleaning cycle.
So, see, now it wants me to clean it.
Start self-cleaning.
And here it is, self-cleaning. And it leaves nothing in there. It sucks it all back up, puts it in there. You dump it out. I mean, you know, I can show you how well it cleans. There's plenty of other videos of people showing how well it cleans. But like I said, oh, see, it's going hard. See, there's the red. That means it's dirty. So as this gets more blue, that's how it knows the brush is clean. And it works the same on the floor too. So if you have a big mess, boom, look at that. If you have a big mess, it'll be red. And then it'll go to blue, and that's how you know it's done. So I cannot reiterate how much we love this thing. It's not cheap, obviously, and that was kind of a hesitation, but I mean, it's well worth it. See, it's cleaning itself more. Let me see if I can see the fluid in there. Look at that dirty brush, I guess. It's filling it up, look at that. So that's just the dirty water it's doing. Yeah, I just can't say enough about this thing and how amazing this is and how much of a lifesaver it is, especially having a little kid. You know, we'll go through this cleaning process I want to show you, but I guess my brush was a little dirtier than I thought. But yeah, highly recommend it. It lasts, you know, I think the only downside is how long the charge lasts. We can do our whole downstairs.
Cycle complete.
Yep, clean cycle complete.
Clean dirty water tank.
See, dirty water tank, and then you just do it one-handed. It's actually pretty easy.
Self-cleaning cycle complete.
So, and then we just dump the dirty
water tank.
And you just dump the dirty water out. So I'm gonna go dump the dirty water out. And that's it. This is the greatest thing. I wish I had it forever, especially if you're using a Swiffer. I mean, you're just pushing stuff around. This actually cleans it, sucks it up. So highly recommend.